All right, now that we are done with the CRUD, we need to start writing logic to allow users log into our system using the token base. But before we do that, we need to put an initial user into the database. We also need to put the initial rows into the database and then assign the row to the initial user. Then we can move on to write the logic to log in into our system. So first of all, I will come to my config file. So here, my config folder. This is my config folder. Sorry, I'll come to my utility folder. So this is my utility folder. Inside the utility folder, I created a file called user row objects. So these are the two rules of our application so far. So we have two rules, the user and then the super user. And then a user is just a normal user of application. So what I did is that I declare a class called row, and then under this class, I declare an object called user and then an object called user, which have the user info and then the super user info. All right, inside initial user also as well, I declare a class called user, and then in this class I declare an object called super admin, and I put all the super admin informations on it.